Hello everyone and welcome back. And in today's episode, well, it's gonna be a short one because I wanted to share my experience of driving the X5 during night time. So today, actually tonight, I'm gonna drive you around town with the X5 2019, which is the fourth generation of the BMW X5, and it's quite a beauty. And in night time, well, things are getting more and more interesting with this car. Let's drive it. So, driving the X5 in night time. Well, as you can see, this car is beautiful to drive also in daytime, but also in night time, because it's very beautiful. You have a couple of colors that you can switch, and all these lines here and in the dashboard and at the feet area changes into something really beautiful. And well, it's quite a feeling driving this car at night time. Also, the head-up display, which is huge on this car, gives you all the information you need. It's giving you the sat nav, it's giving you the infotainment system. Right now it's shown on the head-up display, which is quite new, but I like this feature, and it's really nice to have all the information shown to you on the screen, on the windscreen. The comfort of this car, it's unbelievable. I'm cruising now, and I have the suspension on comfort, and the car is quite smooth and quite elegant, and it's really beautiful to drive at this hour, because most of the times in daytime you are in traffic and you are always caught up with day-to-day stuff, and there's a lot on your mind and things like that, and you cannot properly enjoy this car. But during the night time, well, you know, it feels as Batman in Gotham City. You are free, and of course sometimes you may hit some potholes like I just did, but that's not the end of the world. I mean, you just enjoy your X5 cruising at night, saying hello to the police because they just passed us. But yeah, it's a nice feeling driving this car at nighttime. The dash is beautifully illuminated. The sunroof, the panoramic sunroof, it has this beautiful coloring on the edges, and of course, this being a top spec version, it has kind of everything on it, so it's very nice, very pleasant place to be. And oh my god, I really hate those guys with the scooters passing by all the time. I have to check the mirrors, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Bloody hell. beautiful aspect of this car is the fact that it's very quiet in here. Even though you have this huge panoramic roof and the windows aren't double glazed, but somehow it's quite quiet in here. And by the way, also this car has 22-inch wheels, which they are quite huge on this car, but in comfort mode it's like riding on pillows. Very smooth. When you press the sport button, well, everything changes, because the suspension, it's tighter, the steering wheel becomes more tight, and everything about this car transforms basically into a beast, unleashing all of its power. And the sound, well, this one has a particular sound, because it sounds really beautiful when you press the sport button. When you press the sport button right over here, as you can see, the gauges change immediately, and when you put your foot down, it's like a rocket. It's exactly like a rocket. Very beautiful.